Well, I'm excited about teaching you, but before we begin, I'd like to share a real killer whale I saw at SeaWorld. Boys and girls, you need a white piece of paper and a pencil with an eraser. First, boys and girls, watch me draw the long, rounded body. Now, boys and girls, you draw the shape on your paper. Right here on your shape, I want you to draw a mouth. This is the mouth of the killer whale. If you want to draw some teeth in his mouth, go ahead, but I'm going to leave it just open like this. Underneath his mouth, we are going to draw a white patch, which is on the underside of his body. Right here, we're going to draw the killer whale's eye. That's his eye right above that white patch. Above his eye, we're going to draw a white patch, and kind of looks like an egg shape. A white patch right above his eye there. So we have two white patches. In the middle of his back, we are going to draw a large dorsal fin. I apologize, boys and girls, but the camera can't see through my hand, but wait until I finish drawing, and then I'll lift my hand, and then you can see the fin. There it is. Now you draw it. Right here down below, we are going to draw two side fins. And these fins are like arms for the whale. The last fin we are going to draw is the tail fin. Boys and girls, I'm going to trace around the pencil marks with a black marker. But I suggest you use a black crayon because a marker smears easily. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to color the killer whale black, except for the two white patches, the white under his tail fin, and his eye. Boys and girls, you know the killer whale lives in the ocean, so I'm going to draw the ocean so we can put our killer whale there. So here are some waves. I'm going to get my blue crayon and go over my pencil marks. Press hard when you do this so that the blue shows up. Some more waves down here, and down below, and right here. I also colored a yellow and orange sun in the background to give the picture more color. And boys and girls, you can add things in the background too. Surprise, boys and girls! Here's a close-up of the killer whale's 2 white patches. One above the eye and one white patch below the eye. Here, the killer whale is turning over on its back. Now you can see the white underside. Let's watch this beautiful killer whale turn over again. Look at the bottom of the killer whale, boys and girls. Here's the large dorsal fin you drew. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I enjoyed teaching you this lesson.